Open up CapCut, new project, then select your footage, click on add. The footage will be added and you click on captions and then generate. The captions will be generated for you and you will have your project ready to edit. Here you just have to click on the captions themselves. This text box will appear and you will be able to fix any grammatical errors. You also will be able to expand it, you see, so you just grab the edges and you just expand. Play around with that, it's fun. You see the menu bar there? Play around with it. That's where you can look through the font, styles, animations. And that is it, fam. This is how you add captions to your videos. Easy does it. Tag me on your project so that I can check them out. Until next time, this is Ana Gil.